Hey guys, Rocky again. Welcome back to another quick unboxing video. So it's arrived today. So if you watched one of my previous videos, this, I know the box on the state, is a Terminator 2 Cheetah joystick. This one's clearly based on the 125. So this is part of a set of 4 that was released in the 90s. There's Batman and Jump Cut. So that's the Batman one. Now the Terminator one. So 2 down, 2 to go. So these are officially licensed Cheetah character action joysticks. Now these ones are obviously the 9 pins for like Sega, Atari, Amiga, etc. etc. There are versions for the NES. This one's in a lot worse state than the other one. This one's clearly been used, obviously, but in this one, you get away with using as a joystick. I got it for no bad price. The box has obviously seen better days, but it's still here. So I'll put the box back together as best I can. So there you go, guys. Just a quick look at the Terminator Cheetah character action joystick. There we go. 2 down, 2 to go. Bye bye.